Attention for sale by owners. McAllister & Myers Real Estate Services would like to introduce you to the new Express service. DIY just got better. With our Express service, we will provide you with a CMA or a current market analysis. This will help guide you to make sure that your home is priced properly to be competitive with your competition. We will provide you with 1 half-hour consultation meeting to answer any questions that you may have about what the process of selling your own home may look like. We will send a professional photographer out to your home to get those great shots. We will also create a 3D virtual reality tour of your home. Your property will be added to the MLS system and fed out to many consumer websites. We will also enhance your home on the 3 main consumer real estate websites. Another great feature is we will provide 1 open house within 30 days of you going live on the market. We will take care of all of the advertising and marketing to promote the open house. The McAllister & Myers Express service allows us to jumpstart your marketing while you still drive the car. Congratulations! You just sold your own home! So contact McAllister & Myers Real Estate Services today at 717-885-2027 or visit us online at southcentralpaliving.com. McAllister & Myers Express Service. DIY just got better.